guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and also welcome to another video of Diva Log. So I hope you guys are enjoying this series. So today's video is going to be DIY Diwali decor ideas. So basically I have included last minute DIY ideas because many a times it happens we don't have time to go anywhere and we are just clueless about what decor we are gonna have. So here I have shared really easy DIY. Also all the things will be available at your home very easily. You don't need to go anywhere. So just start with the DIYs and let's just get started with the first DIY.
For the first DIY, we are going to make colorful scented candles. For this you need a box of candle, plain white candle. It comes with 10 to 12 candles and it will be easily available. So these are the candles I am taking. After that you need crayons and then you need to take glass. So here I have taken simple glass. You can take glass container or any other container you wish. So now what you need to do is take the candle and cut it. But watch closely the way I am cutting. You don't have to cut it horizontally direct because you should not cut the wick of the candle. Like just look at the thread that's coming out. That's the wick of the candle and it should not be broken. So just look at how I'm cutting it. Make a slant cut and do it really carefully and slowly. So if you do it by the method that I'm doing, it's very easy and you can easily cut the candle. So this is how I am doing it. Also, if the candle will be at room temperature, it will be really easy to cut the wax. Now what you need to do is, when you reach at the bottom part, you don't have to cut the entire candle. Just keep a little bit wax like this, just as I am doing. Don't cut the bottom part because we'll need that in the DIY. So once that is done, collect all the wax pieces in a bowl. And similarly, I am cutting a second candle also because you need more wax. When it melts, it will just reduce in quantity. So you need two candles. So once you have collected all the wax pieces, I am adding this essential oil so that it will give fragrance to this candle. So I'm using the cedarwood oil. You can use any oil or any fragrance that you like. Just 2-3 drops or you can even use more. After you are done adding the fragrance, now we'll come to the color part. So for that you need crayons. These are wax crayons and I have taken red color. You can take any color of your choice. You can mix 2 colors, 3 colors, anything as per your wish. So I have taken red color. Since it's Diwali, colors like red and green, these bright colors will look really great. So now you need to cut the crayon in pieces and add it. So as you can see, I'm just making small pieces out of it and after that I just sort of sharpening it because that is more easy than cutting it into pieces and also it will melt real quick. So I'll just sharpen the crayon and add that in the wax. Now this thing is all done. We will melt it, but before that what you need to do is the glass that I showed you before, you need to take that and you need to put this bottom part of the candle just the way I am putting. Put it in the center and make sure you are pressing it well so that it doesn't come off. So you just need to place it, that's it. So this is how you need to do that. Once that is done, let's move ahead. So the wax that we have collected, we need to melt it. So for this you need to use double boiling method. Don't directly heat the wax. Put a container, add water and then melt it. So after it's melted really good and there are no lumps, take it and directly pour it in the glass. Make sure you pour it real quick. Don't let it cool down, otherwise it will melt in the container itself. So this is how it looks like. Looks really great. And as you can see, the glass is not yet fully filled, so we will make another color so that we'll have layers of color. So in the same method I have used green color and you can see that the red wax has settled well. So I'm pouring the green wax directly over it and again let it settle for some time so that it will form a solid layer. So after some time when you check it, make sure you pull the wick up so that it doesn't go down. Once you allow the wax to settle down, this is how your candles will look like. It's really great, and you can also make different colors, different combinations, single colors, and it would look really great. Plus it's scented candle. Now you can just cut off the additional wick, or you can keep the length as you like. Now let's just lighten it up and see how it looks. I love the color. So look at this. It looks really beautiful, and also it's easy and quick. So do try this and it will just look great. Now for the second DIY, we are going to make colorful water diyas. So for this you need glass bowl, just as I have used here. I have used one with design so that it would look more good. You can use any glass bowls, jars, any containers. So I have taken bowls with various designs. Now all you need to do is add water and fill it up to the half length. After adding water, I am going to put paper ribbons of different colors in each bowl. So this is going to give color to the water. Instead of paper ribbons, you can also use any colors or powders or anything that would provide color, or even flower petals if you don't have anything. So these paper ribbons are also easily available. After that, I'm gonna use this aluminum molds. So this I got from my kitchen. So if you check, you'll be having these things at your home itself. If you don't have this, you can use the plastic caps of bottles or any such thing. You can also use small sized bowls or anything like that. Now I'll be putting cotton wicks in each of them, and as you can see I have placed it. You can also place one or two as per your wish. Now I'm going to add 1 or 2 drops of oil in each of the bowl in which we had water, and place this aluminum tiles inside it. Now you can decorate the bowls by adding thermocols, glitter, colors, anything you want, petals, and it would look more good. So now I'm gonna light them up and I'm gonna see how it looks. I've also added flower petals on the top so that it looks really good. So our colorful water diyas are all ready, and it was real quick and so easy to do, and all the things are easily available. So try this. Now it's time for the third DIY, which is floral water diya thali, and this one is my favorite. For this you need a glass thali with design or any other thali. After that you need a bowl which is of glass. You can even use microwave bowls if you have of this kind. Then add water and fill it half. Now I have got this yellow and orange marigolds, and I'm gonna place it in circle just as I'm doing. You can use alternate colors. So here I have used yellow and orange. You can use any other flowers, but marigold would look really great. So this is how I'm placing it, and it looks really good because the colors are really bright. So I'm really happy with the way it looks. So now we have already decorated it with flowers. Here I have taken the colors we used during the lady. I've taken purple color. You can use any colors. I'm gonna mix it well so that it provides some color to the water as well. After that I'm adding rose petals into this water. And can you see the difference it provides? And just as we did in the second DIY, I have taken the aluminum cap and I'm gonna garnish it with rose petals, and you can use even the marigold petals, glitters, anything that would look sparkly and floral. Now I'm gonna add oil to it, and now you just need to place this aluminum tile into the bowl. And here I'm just lighting it up, and can you see how great it looks? It's very simple and easy and takes less than 5 minutes, but look at the result. If you place this at the entrance or near your terrace or anywhere, it looks really great. Even you can use this in your puja in the temple, anywhere. It looks really great. I'm definitely gonna use this during Diwali this time because this is very easy, plus it adds so much. So this one is my favorite, and that was all about the DIYs. I hope you guys would have loved this DIYs, and if you try this, do not forget to tag me. I'd be really glad to see it.